we'll finish move left method of the snake. So the strategy is we'll create a new snake and update with the new location of each snake cells. All right, each snake cell. So well, after we finish the updating of the snake cells, we can replace this snake, right, with the updated snake. So let's use this as an example. What is move left? So it means the head will be here, right? The new head. And every other cell, right? Every other cell will be moved to the cell in front of, right? In front of it. So this guy will go here. This guy will go here, right? This cell will be here. And the tail will be the new tail, which is here. Okay, now let's create a new snake. Okay, the data type, yeah, is same. Snake cell and empty. Yeah. So what is the new head? It will be the old head, right? It's to the left of the old head. Yeah. So here, so we'll append the first one here. So new snake dot append. Let's append this one, new element. So let's create a new cell. New cell, snake cell. What is column? It's the original, the old head, right? The old head is snake. This is the old head. Dot column -1, right? So it's here, here, and the row remains the same. Snake head dot row. That's it. So after that, we can use a for loop, right? So I start from, yeah, the second one. So it's 1 dot dot, that's then snake dot count. Yeah. So it's we skip the head because we already handled the head. So now it means we'll handle this one. We'll append this one. No, that's wrong. We'll append this one and that one and that one and that one without the tail. So it's the opposite way. Count -1. Now new snake, right? Dot append. What is the, so snake, right? The old snake. I. That's it. Oh, what's wrong? Snake I cannot convert value int to no. Oh, I know what's wrong here. Append. I select a new element. Okay. Snake I. Yeah. You can test it. So here we print the board, right? And then we can call board dot move left. Then we print again. int board. Let's see. So run. Oh, we can use command U to run it. Now let's check. Bring up the console. Here is the code. Move left, move left. What? Oh, we forgot one step, right? Remember we said after that we'll replace the snake, old snake, right? With the new one. Okay, save it. What's wrong? Cannot assign property self. Self is immutable. Okay, so it means we'll change the state of snake board. So because by default we cannot change the state of this object, so auto fix will add a mutating, right? Let's see, fix. Yeah, you add the keyword mutating here, and now it should be okay. So command U to test it again. Yes, it works. You see, the snake moved to the new location. Let's move a let's make two moves. Okay, move left, command U, test again. Wow, yeah, it works like charm. Now can we test this on our app itself? Let's try. Let's go to our testing code here, board view, draw snake. Okay, draw snake. Yeah, we can do, like, we can make move here, right? So same thing, board dot move left, command R to run it. Yes, you see, it moves. So let's add one more. Board dot move left. Let's see, command R, run again. Haha. Let's keep going just for fun. Okay, so you will go outside the board, which is against the game rule, but anyway, we'll fix that later. Cool. So now it's easy to add other move, right? Other move function. So let's go back to here. So this is move left. What if we, so let's create a new one here, like move to move up. Okay, let's try move up. Move up. So how do we move up? So the only difference is the head, right? All the other logic should be the same, because each old cell just follow the previous cell, right? The cell in front of itself. So move up. So we only need to change this. So column remains the same. Row -1. Going up, yes, -1. Let's give it a test. So let's create another one. Test move up. So better to create another one for move left. Okay, so to keep our code elegant and very well organized, so we can make a copy of that and put it here. Now we can resume original format for original form for the print. All right, print board. So here, yeah, this is our move left. Now we can copy that and put it, copy and paste. This time we'll move up. Okay, move up. Let's try just one move. What's wrong? Still number of, I don't think, yeah, that's Command B. Okay, nothing's wrong, so let's try it. Move up. Oh, we need to bring up the move up, so this one will be here. Yes, and the tail will be, yeah, will be in the new location. Great. So that's it. See you next time.